How to sign up on Amazon Flex Driver. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to sign up on Amazon Flex, these are the methods you can follow up. For that, you can head over to the application itself, Amazon Flex, and open it up on your screen. And once you do that, you should be finding this interface. So in order to sign in with Amazon, you can go ahead and tap on sign in with Amazon. Otherwise, you can also create an account. Let's go with creating an account since we don't have any. So all you need to do after that here is in this field, you need to enter up your first and your last name and your email address and create up a password for yourself. So all you need to do in order to sign up into Amazon Flex is use an Amazon account. So if you have an Amazon account, you can use the Amazon account. You can just go ahead and enter up your email address and enter up the password that you've created. Otherwise, if you have not, you just need to go ahead and enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. After that, once that is done, once everything is done, your account should be created and you should be signed up easily into Amazon Flex. So that is it for now. That is how you sign up into Amazon Flex. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.